Say hello to Experiment 2. This one is now with gauges, analog gauges. I've got a microamp and a milliamp gauge, and I've wired them into the circuit. You may also know I've finally got around to adding a 1 meg potentiometer here, variable potentiometer, instead of that big clunky one that I used. And so right now I don't have any power to it, but I'm going to apply power and watch the gauge. Okay, I thought I dialed it in. It's not quite set to 5, so I'm going to use my screwdriver here. And I'm going to try to fine-tune this a little bit better. Let's see. That's down. That's too far. That's about as good as it can get, close to 5. And you can also see that I'm getting a very hard to read. It's almost one. Well, let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's about half. They're not. If you do the little ticks right, it's let's see, it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's about the halfway mark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do exactly what I did with Experiment 2. I'm going to increase, or I'm sorry, going to allow the current to be increased, and I'm going to take some readings here and here, and I'm going to see if I get, you know, I know I'm going to get the same readings, and this is a good 2N222 transistor. I always get that thing wrong. It's the 2N2222 transistor right here. And then I'm going to put in this, I'm going to put in the bad one that I had from a previous, wow, this thing's not focusing. I'm going to put in the bad one and see if I get the same results. So sorry for the shaky cam. I'm holding the camera over here. But I'm going to record the values and I'll let you know how this goes. But just so you know, if you do order these gauges, just be very careful because usually one side is labeled, oh, there we go. One side is labeled negative. You have to look very carefully, but there's a minus sign right there. That's where your black wire goes. And it's the same on both gauges. So just be careful you wire them upright so you get accurate readings on your gauges. And that's it. That's Experiment 2, and I will post my number results along with this video.